In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily add or remove text size shortcut to the control center. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up Settings and then scroll down for a bit and tap on Control Center. Now here you can find included controls shortcuts. That means that shortcuts are already at the control center, and more controls shortcuts. You can add any shortcuts from here to included controls to show them at the control center. And now at more controls you can easily find the text size shortcut, and in order to add it to included controls, all you have to do is right here tap at plus sign. So now you can swipe down from top right hand corner to open up control center. And now there you can easily find that text size icon. You can hit on that to change the text size for current app or for all apps. You can drag it up or down to set text size that you want to use for that specific app or for all the apps. And also, as you can see, the text size is now increased, and also from here you can change the order of that shortcuts just by dragging them up or down. If I place it right here at the very first position, I can now open up Control Center, and as you can see, text size icon has been moved to the very first position here as well. I hope it helps you guys, so don't forget to like and subscribe.